This is the Hustler's Corner.
Welcome to my channel, guys. Big homie Spooder here, straight out of Cape Town in South Africa. Welcome to Crypto, a brand new platform that I've created to encourage you and I to learn about the cryptocurrencies, which is time for right now for digital currency. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like for you guys to go straight to that sharp sign first before we go anywhere. Over there, on the count of 3, we click that sharp sign. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Click, 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 click. Boom. Thank you so much, guys. Next, we go right over there to that subscribe button. 1, 2, 3. Click. I appreciate that. Differences between crypto and Forex trading. Now, I'm brand new in crypto. My first disclaimer is that don't take my advice. Don't take anybody's advice when it comes to these things. You must go learn and do your own research yourself so you're knowledgeable before you can start spending your money. The reason why I'm doing these videos and the reason why I started Welcome to Crypto is because during the lockdown, I think we were all forced to start learning. We're all forced to start adapting new ways of doing things, and seeing that digital currencies are the future of the world, I decided, why don't I just start learning? So as I started learning last year, during the lockdown, I started spending money and then I got scammed. Because there's a lot of scammers out there. Even when I post anything on my Instagram or any of my social media platforms or even YouTube, you'll post something and on the comment section over there, the scammers come and they try and take advantage of people who are less knowledgeable. That's why I'm trying to encourage you to learn. So when you learn, you don't have to, the L, lose your money. Because when you learn, it removes the L and then you start to earn. So it's time for you guys to start earning. It's time for you guys to learn with me. I'm here to learn as well. I'm brand new. I'm not a financial advisor. And I know nothing about advising people when it comes to what they must do with their money. Don't listen to anybody's advice. Don't give your money to anybody. That's why I'm doing these videos, to encourage you to take that responsibility to learn. The reason why you're losing money, like I lost money when I started getting into these things, is because I was lazy to learn. And I wanted to pass on the responsibility to somebody else. And then I thought it was a quick thing. I can just make money quickly because everybody was talking about Bitcoin and crypto and I was just getting excited. I just wanted to make money. But no, if you try to make money out of cryptocurrencies, a quick buck, forget it. It's not for you. It's for long-term investors. That's the reason why I'm in it as well, because I just want to learn. So let's learn together. Now, recently I've just been exposed to the fact that actually you can trade cryptocurrencies and make money quicker, which is a great thing, but I'm not in a hurry. I'm just taking my time and I want to learn. A quick one, guys. I do know that this video might be long. For you guys to avoid being disturbed by the adverts on this video, I'd like for you to scroll to the end of the video and start it again, so then it'll erase all the ads. Okay, let's start. Similarities and differences between crypto and Forex trading. Now, there are many differences between crypto and Forex trading, but there are also plenty of similarities. So let's take a look at crypto versus Forex trading. Today, we're going to be discussing something that might intrigue many of you future investors and traders out there. Though some might argue that comparing cryptocurrency trading with Forex trading might be comparing apples and oranges, but you will see for yourself that's entirely the case. Crypto trading versus Forex trading. Crypto trading, just like Forex, involves trading currencies. However, the Forex market is larger and well established, while the crypto market is relatively new and a new player to the scene. Although, it's been around for almost a decade, started around 2009, it's still brand new. Think of it as when Facebook was still new. Think of it when cellular phones were still new. Think of it when the world evolves and new things come to the fore, just like right now we're in the fourth industrial revolution. A lot of people are a bit skeptical and a lot of people are lazy to go get educated themselves so they learn and know how to invest their money. They usually want to outsource that responsibility. That's the reason why they get scammed. That's why I started this platform, so that I can be able to learn with you. We learn together from video to video. We're not in a hurry. I'm learning from different platforms. I'm taking free courses on cryptocurrency for dummies, Bitcoin for dummies. I'm just taking my time. I'm even learning on YouTube. I'm watching videos on YouTube, learning from different people. I'm reading different articles from different platforms, and I'm trying to make sure that I'm getting as many reputable platforms as possible for me to learn this type of information. And a beautiful thing is that as we continue to learn, I'm one of those people who's not selfish about information. Some people will tell you in South Africa, where I come from, that in the past I've run an education foundation for over 15 years, helped hundreds and hundreds of kids get educated through giving out scholarships. And over the past decade, I've been helping people about how to get into business and start their own companies and get into entrepreneurship, build brands, etc. Because that's what I've been doing. I love teaching by what I'm doing, because I'm not going to tell you to do something or share with you or encourage you to do something that I'm not doing. I'm not that type of guy, and I don't want your money. I'm just here to encourage education. As you know, some of you guys who know about my work, you can go Google me, go find out about my work. You'll find out that I'm very passionate about education and learning. That's why I'm encouraging all of us to learn. And in this video, comparing trading crypto and trading Forex, it's a beautiful thing for me because it's still new. I didn't know that you can also trade crypto. They're saying here, by the way, this article, guys, is from tradingeducation.com. Forex involves middlemen, brokers, and various other institutions that usually collect fees at almost every step of the trading process. However, in crypto trading, there is no middleman. And that's probably the biggest draws to it. How beautiful is that, guys? There is no middleman in crypto trading. So I've just been exposed to, I can also trade crypto. I've always heard about Forex trading and blah, 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 blah. Yes, I've just gotten into it, but I'm just buying Bitcoin. My portfolio comprises of maybe about 70% of Bitcoin, maybe about 20% of Ethereum, and then maybe 10% of the Doge, Litecoin, XRP and other coins, etc. And I'm learning as I go. I'm making a lot of mistakes. I've been scammed. I was scammed during the lockdown. That's why I was inspired to actually start this channel, so that I can share as much as I can share, and I can walk this journey with you, kancane kancane, step by step, so we all learn together. I can imagine where we're going to be by this time next year if we apply ourselves like these. Like, we at least just spend 1 hour a day learning. Before you even start investing in it, just 1 hour a day learning, it'll help you better. Like right now, it's like the 6th or the 7th of August 2021. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 42,000 US dollars. From 3 weeks ago, when it was 33,000 US dollars. That's when I bought. That was the dip. That's when I bought. I've started learning that, as I'm learning from different people, that when everybody's going out and they're selling and there's a dip, that's when you can buy, because it's more lesser and it's affordable. It's about to go up. And it might not be true. It might not be going up. I might just lose, but it's always better to buy it when it's low and it's sell when it's high. But I'm still learning. I'm on a journey. Let's learn these things together, guys. So I love the fact that cryptocurrency trading, there are no middlemen there. But another major difference we have to mention between the two is the liquidity available in Forex and the lack of it in crypto. Once you drift away from the major cryptocurrency coins, security and other issues will also have to be talked about, by the way, guys. If you truly want to understand the differences between Forex and crypto trading, and you're wondering which type of trading to start with, this article might help you. We're going to be taking a quick look at both cryptocurrency trading and Forex trading before comparing them on several fronts. Then let's get started. Cryptocurrency trading landscape. Let's go quickly, guys. As previously mentioned, cryptocurrencies are relatively a new entry in the financial world, guys. It's the future of money. That's why you must learn it. Compared to Forex, it's a much shorter period of time, but that doesn't really make it any less formidable in the trading field. Since the creation of Bitcoin back in 2009, crypto has been on the spot. Though experiencing sporadic rise and fall in its worth in the span of about 10 years, however, despite rival currencies emerging and tons of scams out there, Bitcoin still remains a powerhouse in the crypto world. That's what I was saying to you guys. Most of my portfolio comprises of Bitcoin because it's a trusted one. It's the most popular one, and I think, if I were to advise, by the way, don't take my advice, don't take anyone's advice, don't give any money to anybody. But what I did, I decided to start with Bitcoin, and I just put it there. I haven't started trading yet. I don't know how to trade. I just buy Bitcoin and I put it there. And I haven't started spending a lot of money yet because I'm still new. I want to understand this thing before I go into it. But a beautiful thing is that Bitcoin is the most popular one, and Bitcoin remains a powerhouse in the crypto world. They're saying here, as we continue with the article, the role of cryptocurrencies as a digital asset is to stand as a decentralized medium for peer-to-peer transactions. The operative word being decentralized, meaning no government control, no banking institutions control. It's a decentralized network that is built on top of a blockchain technology that is encrypted, that spreads out data. They're even saying there's 2 million brand new Bitcoin holders every week. Currently, apparently, there's about 140 million people that own Bitcoin. And I'm excited that I'm one of them. So anyway, let's continue. Due to its nature, talking about cryptocurrencies here, and independence from central banks and governments in recent years, it has become an alternative source of funds and trading for many people. That's a huge jump from the early days of cryptocurrency when it was only mainly used in the black market. Up to date, there have been over 40 million crypto wallets created and over 1,600 cryptocurrencies in existence. With a steady growth rate since 2016, it is safe to say that the crypto market has become quite popular with traders in recent years. In addition to the multi-coin wallets for digital assets, there are companies that have already enabled the use of crypto as a means to pay for services and products. Just like when you guys heard a couple of months ago or last year when is it beginning of this year or last year? I don't remember, when Elon Musk started saying that his companies, or one of his companies, Tesla, is going to start accepting Bitcoin, and the market started going up. And then only a few weeks later for him to tweet out a couple of other statements, and I think somehow that sort of influenced the market as well. But Elon Musk or not Elon Musk, Bitcoin is here to stay. Ethereum is here to stay. The blockchain technology is here to stay. And it's actually, as I'm learning, that technology is not only for financial usage or for investments only. That technology will even be helping companies store data and do other incredible things. It's basically an invention and the future of money, not only money, but of data storage, of systems for companies, for life to be easier. Basically, it is the future, so it's not going anywhere. So it's not going to be influenced by Elon Musk or whoever, but yes, a lot of news out there and headlines, and because he was all over the show talking about it, a lot of people started saying he can influence, etc., etc., etc. But I'm just excited that I am in the beginning of a brand new revolution, although cryptocurrencies have been around for about a decade or so. Let's continue reading here, guys. All right. In addition to the multi-coin wallets for digital assets, there are companies that have already enabled the use of crypto as a means to pay for services and products. This opens new opportunities to talk about crypto's future liquidity and fiat to crypto and vice versa, trades to enlarge in trading volumes. Bitcoin is definitely a cryptocurrency to keep an eye on. However, there are other good options to look out for out there if you want to invest or trade cryptocurrencies. For example, check out LTC Litecoin for speedy transactions, or Dash, which guarantees near untraceable transactions. There are, of course, plenty more to check out. But ultimately, the currency you choose will depend on how you prefer to conduct your transactions. So make sure you do your research beforehand. That's why I'm here to encourage you to do your research beforehand. Don't fall into scams, guys. By the way, another disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I know nothing about advising people. I know how to make money, though. I know how to start companies like I've done over the past couple of years. But right now, I'm excited that I'm a brand new student of cryptocurrency. So be smart about your money, guys, out there. All right, let's continue. When people decide to invest in cryptocurrency, usually that means they are buying, let's say, Bitcoin for a long term. They believe that the price will go up regardless of other factors that may prevent that along the way. Those people believe in the technology and the idea behind the currency and want to invest in it with the hope of a future return on investment. Crypto traders, on the other hand, buy, sell Bitcoin. Well, we're using Bitcoin as an example here, in order to make a profit. Traders view cryptocurrencies as an instrument for making profits, unlike investors. Like me, I'm an investor. I just put my money there on Bitcoin, on a bit on Ethereum, and then a little bit on other new coins. And then I just sit back, and as I keep learning, I'm watching the behavior of my portfolio. And then I'm excited that right now we're sitting on $42,000 per Bitcoin. That's a beautiful thing because it looks like it might just start going up because we experienced, we lost a lot of money over the past couple of weeks. Let me put it that way. So it's exciting times that some of us bought during that dip. And then right now it looks like the trajectory is upwards. It's a beautiful thing. But before you do that, Go learn, be informed, understand it before you can lose money. And be careful for scammers out there, because there's a lot of scammers out there taking advantage of people. All right, let's continue with the article quickly, guys. Those who believe in the technology and the idea behind the currency and want to invest in it with the hope of a future return on investment. Crypto traders, on the other hand, buy and sell Bitcoin in order to make a quick profit. Traders view cryptocurrencies as an instrument for making profit, unlike investors. As I've just said myself, sometimes they may not even study the ideology or technology behind the product they're trading. Also, cryptocurrencies are very volatile. You can only make a profit if you manage correctly, and if you manage to correctly anticipate what's going to happen in the market. Because the cryptocurrency landscape is relatively new, there are not a lot of factors that can cause price changes. The fact that they have been designed as a decentralized assets, free from any government or bank control, that's what makes me excited. There's no government that can control this. There are no banks that are controlling it yet. But with time, it's going to be exciting when banks start regulating and governments coming on board, because it'll be good, because there's a lot of scammers right now. I'm sure a lot of you guys have been hearing about a lot of scams, even about the recent South African scam of some young boys who owned a company called AfriCrypt. And that story said, according to some of the articles or headlines that were out there, that people lost their money. They lost their money. And a lot of people just invest without having to acquire the knowledge first. Acquire the knowledge, guys, before you put your money in there. All right, let's continue. They're saying here, the fact that they've been designed as decentralized assets, free from any government or bank control, things like rate changes, political factors, data releases, etc., don't quite affect them as much as fiat currencies and the forex trading market consequently. So I believe that in the future, when governments come and banks come, they'll help regulate and make sure that people don't get scammed. But I wanted to get into it now, before it can start, before governments can get into it and banks, etc. I'm just excited that I'm learning now, Well, let's continue with the article, ladies and gentlemen. They're saying here, there are several factors that might affect cryptocurrency prices. Those include security flaws resulting in attacks or cryptocurrency exchanges I'll read that again. Security flaws resulting in attacks on cryptocurrency exchanges. Countries announcing that they're banning cryptocurrencies. Those are some of the factors that might affect cryptocurrency prices. Countries like China. Disagreements over upgrades. For example, when a cryptocurrency undergoes a hard fork, this can happen when a blockchain diverges into two separate directions. One last thing you need to know about cryptocurrencies is that each cryptocurrency on the market has got a different degree of volatility. You have to remember that cryptocurrency markets are some of the world's most volatile markets, and big price swings are not something uncommon. Cryptocurrency trading could be good for you, but only if you have a good understanding of the market. That's why I'm saying, guys, go learn, be educated, be informed, be more knowledgeable before you can get into these things. Otherwise, you lose your money. And don't use the money that you're supposed to be using for other things. Use money that you wouldn't mind losing anyway. Anyways, cryptocurrency trading could be good for you, but only if you've got a good understanding of the market, accompanied by a solid trading strategy and risk management techniques. And then lastly, let's focus on Forex trading. All right. The Forex trading landscape. Let's talk about the Forex market real quick. The Forex exchange market, FX, or Forex as it is called, it is the largest financial market in the world, and it involves buying and selling of currencies. Traders are drawn to the market because of its beneficial characteristics, including a wide variety of currencies available to trade, low transaction costs, 23-hour-a-day trading during the week, the size of the market, and its volatility. The foreign exchange market allows private individuals as well as large institutions, governments, retailers, retail traders, and more to exchange one currency for another. This takes place over the counter, OTC, through the interbank market instead of on a centralized exchange. There are a lot of factors actually that can move the Forex market. Those might include country-specific factors such as GDP, unemployment, inflation, election of a new president, and more. That's why traders use economic calendar to stay up to date with such information and other important economic events that might affect the market. People wonder how to make money trading Forex. Though it's a straightforward process, it requires a lot of understanding. It requires preparation and experience as well. Don't even think think about becoming a trader and making money, if you don't possess the knowledge of trading, you will not go far without it. How do things work in the Forex market? Well, the concept is simple. If you think value of a currency is going to go up, appreciate, well, going up, the terminology for it going up means appreciating, right? You buy the currency. This is known as going long. Whereas if you think the currency is going to go down, which is called depreciate, that's the terminology, you sell the currency, which is known as going short. There are plenty of different Forex pairs for traders, giving them the chance to spot profitable trades and earn money. Quickly, last part of my video, crypto versus Forex trading. Again, let's talk about the similarities between Forex trading and crypto trading. Check out our infographic and discover which type of trading will appeal more for you guys. By the way, quickly, I'll put the link on the description where I got this article, tradingeducation.com, that's where it's from. But a quick one, guys. They're saying here, the definition of cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency trading involves the exchange of a decentralized digital finance assets called cryptocurrencies. The most famous and highest value one is Bitcoin. While the definition of Forex trading is the foreign exchange market. Forex or FX is the largest financial market in the world with over $5 trillion daily trading volume. Yeah. Coming back to cryptocurrencies. To trade cryptocurrencies, you will need a verified account and a digital wallet to store and transact your assets. To be able to use your cryptocurrencies, you have to exchange them for flat currencies or find outlets that accept cryptocurrencies as payment. And on this side, on Forex, it consists of a decentralized OTC network of buyers and sellers of currencies. The market, influenced by technical and fundamental factors, determines the prices of buying and selling and exchanging currencies. Let's talk about the similarities now quickly. Both types of tradings require a good understanding on the market. Prices are determined by the market supply and demand. Accessibility, both types of trading provide easy access to traders. The trading is done line, therefore all one needs is a computer and internet access to start trading. It takes a short amount of time to conduct trades in both cryptocurrency and Forex. Both can have high volatility, which means significant changes in price in a short amount of time due to various factors. Both involve digital trading of multiple currencies. You should be mentally prepared to cope with losing trades and prevent emotional trading, as there are psychological risks in both types of trading. Both crypto and Forex trading marketplaces combine the usage of various digital platforms. The differences of crypto. Market is open 24/7 in crypto. The cryptocurrency market is relatively new, making it a very volatile market and conditions. The level of risk in cryptocurrency trading on the crypto market are higher than the Forex market. They started and enhanced through global retail trade. We're still on crypto here. There is no guarantee of a definite payoff, but it's a long-term option for potential profit. Cryptocurrency market is highly dependent on location. Depending on where you are located, you may not be able to use the cryptocurrency you've gained. In cryptocurrency trading, profits come from exchange fees, buying and holding them, mining and micro-tasking. The total market cap for cryptocurrencies is about $300 billion US. Bitcoin takes the lead with over $168 billion. Next one is Ethereum with $22 billion. Now let's look at the differences of Forex. The market is open 24/5, not 24/7. The Forex trading has been around since the beginning of the national currencies, making it more stable currencies. I'll read that again. Forex trading has been around since the beginning of national currencies, making it more stable trading option than cryptocurrencies. Trading on the Forex market involves smaller risks compared to the cryptocurrency market. Forex is dominated by central banks and institutional players. Forex trading is for short-term profit. Forex trading is time sensitive. This means that depending on where you choose to trade, many factors such as economic events can affect the market. In Forex trading, profit comes from the asking. I'll read that again. In Forex trading, profit comes from the asking price on a currency and from the amount between bids. Forex is the largest market in the world with a daily trading volume of over 5 trillion. The US dollar makes up the most, 90% of the transactions. Reasons to support Forex trading, reasons to support crypto trading. Reasons to support Forex trading: more stability and less volatility. Higher liquidity, we're still talking about Forex, extensive leverage available, and unlimited supply to what can you trade. And then the reasons to support crypto trading: potential for higher returns, lower fees, easy to enter and exit the market, substantial daily trading, and volatility spikes condition. And which one would you choose? I'll leave that to you. And I'll leave you and give you the homework to go study more, go be more knowledgeable, go do your own research, find out as much as you can about the market, and choose whether you want to trade crypto or you want to invest in it, or you want to trade Forex. It's just totally up to you. Me, I'm just on this journey to just put the knowledge out there, to just ignite that spark or inspire you to go want to be knowledgeable more about these things so that we can all be more knowledgeable about digital currencies moving to the future. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Like, share, subscribe, let your friends know about this good. Sbusa tale mo Forex, sbusa tale mo crypto beano. O bolela ka cryptocurrency, sbura di Bitcoin. Ho irahala mo. Well, go straight to from video number 1, episode 1 on Welcome to Crypto, and then there's a playlist there. It'll take you to episode 2, 3, but we're walking baby steps, guys. We're not in a hurry. We want to learn this thing. We want to understand it so that we can be able to build financial liberation for ourselves. I love you guys, and welcome to Crypto.
This is the Hustler's Corner.